Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing some lip swatches for you guys, and I will be using this Kylie lip kit by Kylie Cosmetics. I will be trying on 5 shades. I will be using Coco K, Dazzle, Wicked, Bougie, and Strawberry Cream. And I know a lot of you have been requesting this type of video ever since I made that color pop, and some of you suggested that maybe I should try swatching the Kylie Jenner too. So yeah, I hope this video helps you a lot, especially for those people who have the same complexion as I do. So I have kind of an undertone yellowish skin tone, hence because I'm Asian and also I'm Filipino. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Today. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below of what you think of this swatch video, and if there's any other more lipstick or any other makeup you would want me to try, don't hesitate to comment down below, and I will try to make it happen. I'm sorry I cannot talk right now. I don't know why, what's wrong with me, but anyway, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you on my next video. Bye! Mwah. I can't talk.